The objectives for the MTA call out that you need to know about Passport, and that's dated. It's no longer called Passport. It's now called Windows Hello for Business in Server 2019. And let's take a look at it. I'm going to go to Tools, and we're going to go down to Group Policy Management. That's where you set this up. Once we have Group Policy open, I'm going to go ahead and edit the default domain policy. And we'll go into Computer Configuration Policies, and we'll talk about a group policy a little bit more next week. But I'm going to go down into the Administrative Templates and into Windows Components, and then down to Windows Hello for Business right here. And here's where I can set up my biometric. And once I've got that set up, then I can go back up into the System area here, and under here should be something called Logon. There it is, Logon. And here I can set up pins and how I want users to log on, convenience pins, picture passwords, and so on. So those two areas are where I would set up Windows Hello for Business, or formerly known as Passport, so that users have to use two-factor authentication or some alternate form of authentication rather than username and password in order to log on to my domain. Now, when we're talking about two-factor authentication, we mean some combination of something you know, something you have, and something you are. So something you know might be a PIN or a password. Something you have might be your Google Authenticator on your phone, or a smart card that you display, or maybe plug in a USB dongle of some sort, or and also biometric data such as a fingerprint. So if I'm using two of those three forms of identification, then I am using two-factor authentication. So that's what we mean by Windows Hello. It's a two-factor authentication for users.